winemaking. By the way, this is Jon at Cougar Creek Ranch. So I'm trying to list all the materials and tools you need and use to make wine. So first of all, you're gonna need a food grade plastic barrel like this one. You cut the top so it will serve as a cover because of the dimension of the plastic drum. This is a 55 gallons, right? Then you need to crush the grapes on the first step. So what I'm using for crushing the grape, the easiest and the cheapest and fastest way is to use a sink aerator. This is 1.25 horsepower. Basically, I have instances when if I'm using it for hours, the thermal fuse is gonna kick in. So, but you let it cool off a little bit and it's good to go. Anyway, I have installed a bowl, a large bowl, so where I can drop the grapes in. Okay, and you know, this is gonna go into the drum. I made this support. Actually, this is something extra because I use it for wine transfer. That is a pump, and it's permanently installed on this piece of wood. Anyway, this wood has some grooves, you can see here, and those grooves, they're gonna match the contour of the top of the barrel or drum. So I'm going to put that in, and I'll be able to show it to you. Yeah, I'm going to put this one here. So this is how it's sitting. Then I'm going to get the yeah. I did remove the right corner adapter here because I don't need it, and it's pretty much adding to the load of the motor. So I'm going to get that in, and the cable. I just get it like that, and then I'm going to use a power strip to power the shredder, this shredder. So let me turn it off. So here it is when I need to get it ready. Yeah. So that's the setup. Then I put the grapes here on top of the next barrel. So here are the grapes. So now I'm taking the grapes. Very simple process. Okay, so let me give you an overview of the setup. Very easy and simple. cheap, low-cost drums, plastic, wood-grade drums, and of course you buy the grapes during the season when everybody has grapes, and you can get a pretty decent price. I bought these Concord grapes for 55 cents a pound. All right, I will follow with the next steps. Well, at first step, making wine, I still want to recommend a couple of things. Use gloves. It's actually, if you are in touch with the juices from the grapes for a long time, you're gonna see some problem with your skin getting dry and so on. Anyway, I've been through that, so it's not just an idea. It's based on my experience. Then another thing is you don't want to crush the grapes, or as I'm doing here, pretty much I'm shredding them without the skins and the wooden part of the grape. Yeah, those branches and stuff, they are part of the flavors and stuff. So nothing else but grapes, but put the whole thing through. Don't separate the skins or the woods or whatever, nothing. No separation. The whole fruit. Now with 2 hands, it's much easier for me to do that. It's pretty fast. Already on my